My name's Sonne. I'm a fourth generation farmer in southeastern South Dakota. Out here, it's definitely a way of life. We really enjoy being outside, working with our hands, building things. I chose to come back and farm with my father for a number of reasons. It's different working with your family, and for yourself. We stay pretty busy around here, making hay, harvesting crops, making sure the calves are healthy, and just taking care of all of our livestock and our one dog, Ellie. We have one common goal, and that's just to make the farm better, be profitable, raise good quality Black Angus cattle. I think raising cattle just makes everything more exciting. You got a lot to do. You're taking care of a living being, and there's so much more that goes into that versus throwing seed in the ground and watching your crop grow and harvesting that at the end of the year. We gotta make a lot of decisions on how are we gonna keep these cattle healthy, how are they gonna make a profit for us, and how are we gonna improve the herd year over year. They're almost like pets to me. I spend a lot of time with them, bringing out Kate to lure them in and really befriend them, and just trying to raise good quality and tame cattle. As long as I can remember, we've been running John Deere equipment. It's good quality. We're not spending a lot of time working on equipment, fixing breakdowns. We all face harsh weather, and when it's go time, you gotta be going and not working on stuff. This last summer we got to demo a round bale accumulator from John Deere, and we just had a blast with it. There's much more to it than it just looking sweet on the back end of the baler. We could definitely see when it came time to pick those bales up that we were driving around a lot less, putting less hours, burning less fuel, and just getting home for supper. Us Suddies, we don't have to eat.